When we first walked through this building, it was in March of 2022. But with COVID, this building shut down. When they left on that Wednesday, they really believed they were going to come back on that Monday or maybe a week later. Calendars were still turned to March of 2020. This building had formerly been the home of another university. In fact, it had been the home of another nursing school.
Our nursing program was already burgeoning. We were holding our classes at an off-campus site, and our lease was coming up. We didn't have enough space there to continue to grow the program, and so we were thinking about what options might be available to us. We hear about this 120,000 square foot building.
Well, one of the things we did immediately is we called LCEF, and we asked them to see if they would be willing to come alongside us to partner with us to purchase this building. But I think Bart Day and the team at LCEF understood the value of this building, that we could close on this building in literally 1 year. From walkthrough to escrow close is truly a godsend.
Second floor is already outfitted with nursing equipment and classrooms. It's right in the middle of the Spectrum area, which is one of the hearts in Orange County of the healthcare community. And the way God put these different pieces of the puzzle together, it's such a sovereign moment.
We have an Accelerated Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. It's a 15-month program, year-round program. The accelerated nature is unique to this program, and it is something that students, I always say, they hit the ground running and don't stop for 15 months. When they're done though, and they get their bachelor's so they can get out there and really make a difference in the world.
I think our teachers have been amazing. They do a really good job of making sure that we're learning material and understanding it and being able to critically think through it and not just memorize answers for an exam.
The Spectrum campus is located here in Irvine, and it is just right in the hub of healthcare. We have Kaiser Irvine, which is literally down the road, and across the street is Hoag Irvine. So we have some very great clinical partners. In fact, we utilize both those clinical partners for some of our students' clinical hours.
Concordia has a really strong relationship already with hospitals in Orange County. So being from a program with Concordia's name is already an advantage in and of itself, just because of the reputation Concordia has already built.
This building has accelerated our plans for launching new programs 5, 6, 8, 10 years in advance. We also opened our third campus in Rancho Cucamonga, a community 50 miles away from Irvine in the Inland Empire, an area that has a huge shortage of nurses. And the Board for Registered Nursing encouraged us to expand into an area that's super underserved for nursing education. It was really important to the administrators of Concordia University Irvine that when we opened the Spectrum campus, that we provided a worship space. Chuck Mansky, the first president of Christ College Irvine, prior to him coming here, he served as the campus chaplain at the UCLA campus ministry. This stained glass came from that campus chapel. This stained glass connects us both to the founder, Chuck Mansky, who started the vision for Christ College Irvine. It connects us to a campus ministry at UCLA and brings us forward into 2024 as we continue to worship the Lord on this campus.